Welcome back, YouTube. So check this out. The catalytic converter on your vehicle, if you're at the dealership and you purchase one from the dealership and you say, oh, well, I want my catalytic converter, and they go, there's a $500 core charge or $400 or $300 or whatever they attach to it. So if you want it, guess what? You have to pay for it. If you are a aftermarket service provider like myself, and some vehicles you have no choice to purchase it from the dealer, guess what? They charge me a core charge too. So the days of you saying you want your catalytic converter, they're gone. That's it. So check it out. Call your local dealership and ask them how much the core value is, or the core charge is for your Mercedes, your BMW, your Hyundai, your Kia, your Chevy. And since we primarily buy most of our catalytic converters for Chevys because certain ones aftermarket are so horrible. Actually, Cherry Hill Dodge was another one. I think it was a $400 core charge. So say your catalytic converter got stolen. Well, guess what? They don't care. They need a core to send back to manufacturing for recycler. This is no BS. Look into it yourself. So, yeah. And some of these cores, if they're empty, they're not worth anything. If they're partially empty, not worth much. Only if it's complete and full and not destroyed. That's how it works. But I challenge you. Call Cherry Hill Dodge or Mall Chevy or somebody and ask them how much for your specific vehicle, if you have a Chevy or a Dodge, and say, what's the core charge? And they're going to tell you, just like an alternator, a starter, or so on and so forth. Thanks for watching.